Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 12th chapter area related to circles. Exercise 12.2 13th sum. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. So like this it is there. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter. So the radius is given as 28 centimeter. Find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. So we are asked to find the cost of making the design. So actually the design is at this corner. So we are asked to find the area of that. So for finding that area, we will divide this circle like this. So we will get 6 equal triangles we will get. Okay, so total angle is 360 divided by 6 will be 6 equal sectors are there. 360 divided by 6 will be 60 degree. So each angle, here we will get an angle of 60 degree. Okay, so like this we will find the area of the sector. Into 6 will be the full area we will get. Then for finding this segment, area of the sector is this whole thing minus area of this triangle, we'll get this part. Into 6 will gives us the area of the design. Then we multiply it by the cost given. So this is how we are going to do. Okay, so first thing is area of the sector we will find. Theta is given as 60 degree. We got theta as 60 degree. Then radius is given as 28 centimeter. So with the help of these two things, we will find the area of the sector. For finding the area of the triangle, first we should know what type of triangle it is. For finding that, here we found out that that angle is 60 degree. Then 28 centimeter and 28 centimeter are the sides of the triangle. Okay, so if these two are 28 centimeter, it forms an isosceles triangle. Since it is an isosceles triangle, angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So, these two angles will be equal. This angle and this angle will be equal. Here this is 60 degree. The other two angles are equal. The balance is 120 degree. 120 divided by 2 will get this angle also as 60 degree. So, it forms an equilateral triangle. Since it forms an equilateral triangle, we can use the area of the equilateral triangle formula, that is root 3 by 4 a square. So we got the area of the sector, the required things we got, then the area of the triangle, we found it as an equilateral triangle. Subtract both, we'll get the area of this shaded part into 6 into 0.35 will gives the answer. Okay, so now we'll write it with the proper step. Okay, circle is divided into 6 equal sectors. Therefore, theta is equal to 360 divided by 6, that is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r squared. So here we will write the radius also as 28 centimeter. Okay, so we will substitute 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius is 28 into 28. Okay, we will simplify this. 60 6 times here, then 7 4 times, again 2, 3 again here. So that's all. So 22 into 2 is 44. 44 into 28 divided by 3. So we will get 410.67 centimeter square. So this is the area of this sector. Now we have to find for the segment. For that we need area of the triangle. So area of triangle. So area of triangle, for finding that area of triangle, it is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so base angles are equal, that is 60 plus x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 60 plus 2x is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 120. So x is equal to 60 degree. So x means this one. So we are taking this as x and finding the value as 60 degree. So x is 60 degree we got. So it is an equilateral triangle. For that this is the explanation. So we will find the area of triangle using the area of triangle formula. That is root 3 by 4 a square. That is equal to root 3 by 4 into a is 28 here. So 28 into 28. So here 4 7s are 28. So when we multiply this, 8 7s are 56. 7 2s are 14 plus 5 19. So 196 root 3 centimeter square. 196 root 3 centimeter square. So here we are asked to substitute the value for root 3 as 1.7. So 196 into 1.7. Value when you substitute, we will get 333.2 centimeter square. So this is the area of the triangle. So when we subtract area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So area of the sector is the whole thing minus this area of the triangle, we will get the area of the shaded part. Okay. So now area of segment. The shaded part is nothing but the segment. So area of the segment is equal to 410.67 minus 333.2. Okay. So when we subtract 410.67 minus 333.2, we will get 77.47 centimeter square. So we will get 77.47 centimeter square. So this is the area of the segment of one design. Okay. So like this 6 designs are there. So area of 6 designs. We will write this as area of segment, that is one design. So area of 6 designs is equal to 77.47 into 6. So when we multiply this, 6 7s are 42, 24 plus 4 28, 2, 6 7s are 42, 4, 6 7s are 42 plus 4 46. So this one will be 464.82 centimeter square. So this is the total area of all these 6 designs. Okay. Then first thing is we need to find that if the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. So we got the area of the design. So total cost of making the design is equal to total cost of making the designs. Cost of making the designs is equal to 464.82 into 0.35. So 464.82 into 0.35. So when we multiply these two, we will get 162.68 paise. 162 rupees 68 paise. So this is the total cost of making the design. Okay. Thank you.